Hi everyone, welcome back to Dimension Traders Trader Review for June 27, 2017. Today we're going to show couple setup and unfold for the dimension continuation and the reversal. Let's take a look on the first one. The first one is Australian yen. On the day chart, we are continuous from the last week's demand zone. The last week's demand zone with the Fibonacci level retraced back to the 78.4%. And in this area, we are expecting some reversal. But on the 4-hour chart, we have the continuation trend line going up. So resistant area from the day will be the question mark. On the hourly chart, the price broke the previous high and pull back in the time we are expecting some setup right here. The trend line has been formed more closer in hourly as well for the uptrend. In the same time, we have the positive negative divergence for reversal setup, which tests the neckline and the pricing pullback with the extension 127. So 15 minutes, this is the closer view for 127 extension. This is where we are expecting the entry for the continuation because this didn't trace down to the 78.5% after breaking the high. So this will be treated as the continuation setup. So day chart show in the demand supply zone, which is a resistance line. They not be very reliable because of the trend line we found in 4 in the hourly, plus in the previous high being broke, diversion positive, a lot of things happening. This is continuation pattern forming along with the trend. So this kind of the trend have to be very careful because you don't want to be tracked with the 4-hour diversion trend right here with the hourly, which will be violate after you hit the 78.64%. So this is one of the trade that we need to be very careful on the continuation. Talk about the dimension zone. This is where we found the dimension 5 area. Pricing takes the previous low, previous resistance, and the pricing did not hold and break up afterwards. So gotta be very careful. Always trade along with the trend line to avoid the false reversal setup on the uptrend. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one will be British yen. British yen is happening as the previous resistance and the previous support area. We have the possible continuation and possible reversal. But when we drag down to the 4-hour, we found there's a trend line that's been formed. And in the same time, 1 hour have forming the trend line as well, which is broke the previous high. And MACD is kind of the flat, so we will not consider direction confirmation. Instead, we using the 4-hour. Here's MACD up, breaking the high. So the overall trend is up. For the day chart, we will consider. What we also notice on the day chart is trend line forming. MACD has been retraced to 38% and then pull back to the 23 as a support. So trend line, MACD, and the trend line break the high, give us a pretty good clue this trend is going up. So we are zooming down to the 15 minutes. We found there's an extensional pullback right in this area, combined with the Fibonacci retrace to the 38.2%. This is a perfect cluster for continuation up pattern setup. So this is the continuation of the dimension 2 area. Let me check the triangle. Okay, here's a triangle right here. Pricing continuing, pulling down to the previous area, is keep going up closer to the dimension 5 area, which is on the top zone. So I already have the obvious triangle for dimension at dimension 2 continuation setup. Okay, so this is the British yen. Let's go to the next one. Singapore yen have the very similar situation. Singapore yen have Fibonacci retrace to the 61.8%, and 38% become the support. And these two area, this what we are expecting some setup happen. At this point, we don't know is the trend going up or down. So we drill down to the 4 hour. There's a trend line happening right here and here, combined with the moving average above the price. So overall, the pricing has been violated the previous high right here, which is already violated here around the time we are looking for a setup. Plus the MACD is going up, so we are looking quite the continuation setup again on this area. Let's take a look on the hourly. At hourly, the continuation pattern is going up. Locate the MACD divergence coming up right here with neckline being testing. So continuation pattern on the 4 hour drill down to hourly become the reversal setup. So reversal triangle is right here. We are right at the dimension 4 area. So pricing going up and pulling down for 78%, combined with the trend line going up, and here's a continuation pattern for the big dimension. Alright, and here's another big one. We are expecting the pricing might reach it up here, and actually eventually broke up. Okay, so Singapore yen is the MACD possible reversal setup along with the dimension 5 area. Okay, so today we went over a couple pairs, for some pairs already did. Those setups is very difficult to find in the beginning, so just to be patiently wait for what we are seeing at the market, especially what market gave us will give us a better clue to check it's going to be a reversal or it's going to be a continuation. If the video is helpful for you today, feel free to subscribe, share, or any comment. That'll be helpful for me to improve for the recording. And we'll come back for the next day for more trading simple and non-for setup. Thank you for watching.